Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly use your outfit codes in Roblox in 2024 from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the idea here is we would want to open our Roblox launcher and make sure that we're logged into our account. And I should mention that the steps shown in this video should apply to both the launcher version of Roblox, like I have open my screen right now, as well as the browser site if you guys are on desktop. Now, the idea here is we would want to download an application or a session called Catalog Avatar Creator. So I'll be typing it down here, click on the search bar, Catalog Avatar Creator. It's this one right here, as you can see. So what's basically going to happen here is we're going to load into the game like normal. I'm not sure if it's okay. So here it's actually showing up on my screen, and here's what the store page looks like. Now what this little tool does is it shows you a catalog or a database for all of the registered skins in Roblox. And what's going to happen is when you guys go to select a skin, it's going to generate the code for you. Now you simply need to click on generate code link for outfit once you're in game, and it's going to show you a combination of numbers and letters, which basically represent the corresponding outfit. Now from there, you guys can actually save those codes to your Roblox account, so you can, anytime you load into a game, you can simply enter the code and load the skin, equip it, and you guys should be done. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel, so if you guys want to show your support that and see more videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.